Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video, we got more unusual options activity. Now, once again, guys, keep in mind the information presented by Delta Rules is for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. Please make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now, guys, if you landed on this video and you don't know anything about stocks, or actually if you don't know anything about options and you somehow ended on this video, I do have 3 courses down below that will teach you how options work from top to bottom. And I also have a course, not necessarily a course, but pretty much a video showing you how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim for unusual options activity. So that's that. The first stock that I am going to bring up to you guys today is going to be Edites, or how do you say it? Editas? I'm not exactly sure how you say that, but ticker symbol EDIT. So here it is. Adidas, I believe it is, if I'm not mistaken. So this is it, guys. Just looking at the option change. You guys know I love looking at the option, today's option statistics, especially when it's a big option trading day. So looking at the call side, we can see that the call to put ratio is quite high. 20,000 calls traded, 1,500 puts traded, and 63% of the calls were purchased at the ask price or above. Now, keep in mind, guys, this options for Adidas or Adidas they're actually very liquid. So coming down here to the time in sales, we could see already that someone put in here over $100,000 order on the April 65 calls. And we could tell once again that they got it at market price. It doesn't look like they went in between, none of that. Now, if we come down here, we could tell that once again there's quite a bit of call buying on here. And looking at the chart, this doesn't need too much explanation. Looking at the chart, we could tell that it has caught some type of support right there at previous resistance, and it looks like it's been consolidating, and it may just break out this 48 level here. So if this breaks out past that $48, $49 level, then this should be a good one for the upside. So this is definitely something I'll be looking at. Man, my whole chart here got messed up. Give me 1 second. Let me show you guys the implied volatility. Oh no, hold on. Okay, so there you are. There we go. Okay, all right. So implied volatility, it's looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the percentile. Percentile's pretty high. So the implied volatility does look like it's kind of high in this situation. However, it makes sense because there is an implied move up here. And, we could tell that it has been selling off. So the implied volatility, has been kind of in a range right there. Now, this does look like a volatile stock. As you guys could tell, there has been big moves on this stock. So I think this volatility is okay. It's not too bad. I wouldn't hold myself back from getting one of those plays. Let's take a look at the, oh my God, this is all messed up. All right, 10 months. Okay, so it looks like it's mid volatility. That's not too bad. Then again, let me see. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so this is one I'm looking at. This is one I really like. What Editas does is they are a genome editing company. So they're pretty much, they're in the business of genetic engineering. Pretty much that, they're trying to make humans live forever. That's ultimately their goal. Take out all of the bad genes, that have passed on from generation to generation that can cause any type of diseases, things that may cause people to die. And that's pretty much what they do. The second one that I have for you guys is actually Jefferies Financial, and that's JEF. That's JEF. So as you guys can see, I do have a little position here on the 18th of June. I got myself a little bit of time, but this is the reason why. I got about 4 of those. It's like a $200 risk, but this is the thing, and this is what I want to get across about this. This is how I like playing the unusual options activity. I go small. In case it doesn't work, I don't get clapped. That's really all there is to it. So really in here, and this is not just today, you know, I'm not even going to go into today's time and sales, because this is something I've been looking at for a while. You know, the volatility is quite low. You know, it looks exactly how I want. It has been on a little bit of a tear lately there. Let's look at the yearly, and yeah, it has been a little bit of a tear, but this has not done nothing but go up. These options are holding very, very strong. And I'm simply looking at this tool right here. If you guys look at the open interest for the 18th of June 2021, this is what I'm tracking right here. As soon as I see anyone get out of any one of these positions, I'm gonna be reevaluating my position on here. But there's high open interest on this, which lets me know that there's somebody deep in this cause, you know, and they're thinking that this is going to keep on going up. Now, Jefferies is not a stock that trades very volatile, so it doesn't move too much. So this is, I would say, this is not a very risky play. This has been, you know, for my options, this has been alternating between 45, which is the mark, which is the middle, and 55. It has been back and forth and back and forth. It has been holding that value. You know, then again, Jeffrey has been going up and down for the past couple of days, so that's that. But this is one I'm looking at. This is one I really, really, really like. Jeffrey's Financial, and Adidas as well. Adidas, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, Adidas is looking a little bit better, you know, than Jeffrey's as far as like the stocks that I actually brought up to you today, simply because it has those technicals. So this looks good. This is something I'm looking at. This is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to everybody that has been subscribing. I really appreciate that. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. Love you guys.